Up to now we have designed this part. Now we can click on the location. I mean that we designed that here. Recent searches, suggested destination, and also nearby. We will make it better. Actually, nearby should be this icon here. I search location, then I will put this one here. That's very good, very nice. So, and also we have designed the calendar. Now we can click it, date and flexible. Now the thing we are going to do is to design flexible, and also the last section of here, rooms and guests. So if you come back to the components here, we can name them search field. So this is for rooms and guests. We can say rooms and guests. Then this one, check in, check out date. We can also put date picker. That's better. Date picker. The next one is also choose location card or search or location field. Search location field. It's a good name, search location field. And this one totally, yeah, that's okay. The name of this page here, we can put it at least fields. And here for this one, we can say category tabs. I've named it here, category tabs. Very good. Tabs, we will put it names tabs. Calendar is really ready here. Good. If we come back to this prototype, if we click here, we should see this modal dialog. So we can choose the adults, children, and also the pets. That could be, that's good. And also bottom of that, there would be a button. So that's so easily we can design it. Let's come back to the components here. We can have one page for dialogues. All the dialogues can be designed here. Actually, we need a frame. Press F. Then we need a background for that. So we choose brand. We choose white for that. Let me bring it here to see that. Then for the radius, up to now we choose 12 for these things. And also we give it a shadow. So we have the shadow. When we click effects here, this one, or no, we click this 4 circles square, we can choose. Oh, we didn't add the shadows here. So let me check that again. Effects. Yeah, this one. That's okay. Here we can see that shadow. We click. Now we have a shadow here. Also, let's look at again. So adults, children, and pets. We can write these things. Come back to the design, to the components. Here we write adults. Then for the adults, we have subtitle on that. What did we wrote here? Age plus 17. That would be for adults. Age plus 17. So here, this one for the typography, I think that would be the foreigner would be okay. And this one is somehow let me see, 12. That's kind of caption 12. Oh, that's medium. This one is better, and I think this one 14, 16. I would be more satisfied with 16. And this one, the text of that text neutral is okay. I'm more happy. Select both of them, Shift A, make them auto layout. Yeah, 2 is the gap between them. On the right part, we need here, if you look at carefully, we have buttons somehow, minus and plus, and also a number between that. So it's better to let me search here. From the assets, we say add to see what do we see here. Add this one. Add circle. We need add square, I think. Yeah, add square. add then square. Let me see. Yeah, this one when it. And also add the next one would be remove, maybe remove square, or close, maybe minus. Then we'd see minus, search that. Yeah, I think this one. Very good. So we have minus, we have adults, and this one I want to make it somehow a component. You know that these three, between that would be a number 0 or 1 actually, and this would be a component actually. So here to put it here, we put it here, and a number. If we select 3 of them, there would be auto layout. So for the first time, that would be our brand color, icon brand. This one for the first time is somehow disabled actually, and the number, I think for them would be okay. Yeah, this would be a component that has, for example, two states. One of them when that is 1, we can non-negative, and when we add it, this would be also the blue one. Yeah, we can use it, or we can design it. So let me make it component here. I mean component. Yes. So click here, create a component, this one, and add variant. So this is the default, the state is default, and this one is the, for example, selected. Yeah, this one is also blue, or we can make it red because we want to minus it. Let's start with red, icon error, put it here, and this one. So now this is a component. Here I can copy that, bring it here, and now somehow it's okay. Yeah, then make them, select both of them, duplicate it, this one, or let me auto layout, remove this one, duplicate it, and also duplicate it. So here we have adults. Also this one can be a component, so I make it component. Then now I can use it here easily. So this is adult, this one, and this one. So adults, children 8 to 12, so 0 is somehow meaningless, and also pets. Or we can make pets. Do you have any pets? We can use it with switch, but it has one problem. Yes, I have pets, but maybe some people have 2 pets, 3 pets. I mean a cat and dog, 2 dogs too. No? So this one would be better, I think. So adults, this one, children, then so now it is 2 lines. So come back to the main component here, and then we make it hug content. So if it is hug content, now you see it's okay. Also the subtitle, that would be the hug content, and also whole of that hug content. Now if you see, it's okay, everything is okay. And also I want to put it fill container, all of that fill container up to here. We can see that. So very good. So age, for example, 1 to 17, and also this one is pets. So it doesn't need any subtitle actually. Yeah, very good. Yeah, and also bottom of that we need a button. We need a button, so we search here, button, bring it here. Up to now it's okay. Bring it here. Let's test it and see what will happen if we use it in our design. For example, we want to use it here. So let's see what will happen. Yeah, I think we can give that's untidy. Let's make them more tidier. I mean, this one, I think we should put that hug content also. Yes, that's okay. Now it's better. Good. Children, the gap between them 2 and 4, that's a good idea. This one, I think, make whole frame also, make whole frame auto layout. Then yeah, 32 from the 32, no, that's not good. Padding from the left and right, 32 from top and bottom, also 32. Yes, that's okay. And now let's make whole of that a frame, I mean component. Then we can say passengers field. That's okay. The things I really want to do is that I need to have one button for dialogues. You know that's that hugs the content. I mean, this button, I don't like that. Let me see this one. If you see here, add room, then I want to have completely, you know that add room. Let me come back to the component here. I write add room. Then for icon we can use plus or add. Actually, yeah, this one I'm happy with that. Now if you click that, can we use it here? Hug content fill container. Yeah, that's fill container. And if you see that when we made it fill container, they are to the left, justify to the left here. So we can come back to the main component and select all of them, this one from here, and from justifying, what happened, bring it to the left, alignment, I mean to the left, and then center. Now they are centered, it's better. And after that, what should we do? We should publish it. So we should notify, hold the design, hold the theme, hold the pages. Yes, we did something, we changed something. You should be notified and understand it, what we have done. So come back to components again, to the file, to the dialogues. Yeah, that's okay. Now it is centered, and also somehow it fills the container. So 32, this one, what happened to that? Let me see, that should be hug content. Yeah, so nice. But I think they're not aligned. Let me see, this one is centered, but what happened there? 22, let me see, this one hug content. Yeah, now that's better. You know that because it's not this one, the width is not hug content, the space, the padding of that is 22, but let's make it hug content here. Now it's better, so everything is okay. So let me publish it, and then I can use it in my design actually. So passengers field or rooms, selecting rooms field, we can make it. So here, let me update it. Oh, too many things. Updated, should be updated. So here are search for my component and bring it here. This is the result. Yeah, that's okay. So up to now is okay, but we should put a close sign also here, and I'm happy with that totally. A little bit, if we like, we can have more wider space, or we can do one more thing. No, that's okay. I wanted to make them, the widths of both these dialogues, the same. We can do that. So let's see the dialogue here. We are in the dialogues, in the fields here. That is 293. We can do for these things. 293. Yeah, that's okay. Then we can also, this component, we can make it, for example, 56 or maybe 72 even. Let's test. Yeah, that's okay. Now we want to add one close icon on the top right here. Let's bring it from our component. Let's see that. Do we have anything to update? Nothing. Here, if you search close, let's see what will happen. This one. Yeah. So that should be on the top right. So we can do something, but the one thing I really want to do is that click on this icon here, ignore auto layout, bring it to the top, 16 for a margin from top and 16 from the right, and then yeah, that's okay. Everything is now okay. 48, I love it. I'm happy with that. So if we publish it, then that's everything is okay now. So this is the modal for adding select add rooms. I mean that choosing the adults, choosing the children, and so on. And also we can have this close icon here. I mean to the fields or tabs. Let me see. Okay, we will add it. If we need it somewhere, we will add it. So up to now, let's update here, and then here we will also see the result here. That's the icon, and now everything is okay. Now we can add some prototyping to that. When we click, for example, putting the hover and so these things. It's better now to go and work with the here. If you come back to calendar, here we have the flexible. So flexible means that so it's not the exact time. That's not, for example, from the 1st to the 10th of April or other months. It means that, for example, in September, in October, or in other months. So that is much easy. Oh, we should put this icon here also. Let's select these two. And also I want to ignore the auto layout, bring it here and select these things and put it in the middle. Yeah, that's okay. And also, yeah, 24. This one is 24. This one is 24. No, that is the adjusted with this one, but let me see. Yeah, in the model, that's okay. Good. They're in the middle. Yeah. So far, so good. That's 24 and 24 from the top. It's better to do that because consistency, we should hold the consistency. That's our calendar. Now the second one is this one. That's so easy. So we need, this is the one component here. Let's make it this one. That's for choosing the months. So September, here the icon is calendar. So we search here. Do we have calendar here? This one, I think maybe let's start with this one, put it in the middle, and then we'll write, for example, September, and then the date is, now we're in 2026. They use it, select both, 3 of them, auto layout, and then make the outer frame also auto layout. Give the for radius 12 is okay, and also it's the gap between them is 20. We can 16 would be okay, and the padding 24 and also 24, that's okay. Yeah, or that's much more. Maybe we can test 16 and 16. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, that's okay. I'm happy with that. The gap maybe 12 is also okay. Then these are button. So for September, we can choose this one, and also both of them are the same. The calendar, that's I don't happy with black, so neutral 300 would be okay for that, I think. Let's see what will happen, then we can do that. And also give it a stroke. Then for a stroke, I think that's okay. Let's make it component. We can give it flexible calendar, the name flexible calendar. Then this is our component. Now if we duplicate this one, this is not our main component, or let me see that. Yes, this is our main component. So we add variant here. Let's bring it here, then I prefer to put it here. Let's design here. Good. Okay, I select this one, bring this component, this one, I copy this component and paste it here, then remove this thing, also this one, and then I want to duplicate 3 of them, select all of them, auto layout, make them horizontal, and then to the left, to the end. We should make it to the end. So, or if we do the things, that is one of the feature for, yeah, that's okay. And then maybe in the middle would be better. Very good, very nice. These are the dates. And now top of that, there will be no calendar. So go anytime. We should write this one. Go anytime. Here. Go anytime. And let's bring it here. Yeah. Select these two, auto layout. Then 16. I'm happy with that. Typo we have. But the body, that's somehow a title, but that's okay up to now. Then what do we have here? We have how long would you like to stay? Let me copy that. How long would you like to stay? Then paste it here, actually. And then how long would you like to stay? And I can maybe choose one of these things. No. What's that? Let's see. So this one here we have weekend, week, months. So if we go back to this component here we have made, we can make one for, we had it. I think here in the tabs we have this one. We can add one more to this component. One more variant. This one we can write outlined. So when it is outlined, it means that if you come back to design here, to the component, I mean to the calendar, if you see that here, so these they have just white background and also the stroke. So we can do these things also to this component. Okay, tabs, stroke, just give a stroke, and also the 100. Now we will update it, and then we can use this one for our flexible calendar. That's the thing. Category tabs. Then if we come back here, we search category. Now we can see here. So bring it here. Let me cut that, paste it here. So, so we should choose from the state outlined, and then duplicate it, then duplicate it, select all of them, auto layout, and make these auto layout horizontal and put it here, this one. So do they have icon? No. So we come back to our component and say that, okay, we can also hide the components, select all of them, multiple select, then in the appearance we click here, then we make one more feature, has icon, then create property, and also now we can publish it. So when we publish it, then come back to this tab here to the calendar. Now we see that this one has added here, has icon. So we select all of them and say no, we don't need any icon actually, and the gap between them, I think 16 is okay. So what happened to them? Oh, we didn't select this one, has icon. Yep, that's removed. So what should we write here? Weekend, week, months. So we write weekend, week, and also months. You see that when you have a component, easily you can do one small things in the main component, and after that, imagine that we have, for example, 100 tabs of that, and because we have component, easily we can change one of them, and it's applied to all components. So it is very useful. Now our basement, our infrastructure is being more powerful. Every step we go further, so we have a powerful infrastructure, and our speed would be more and more. So at the first of the project, because there is nothing, so we should build everything. We should build the infrastructure that's like a city, that's like a country. It needs time, but when they are the build of them are finished, now the speed would be so fast. And here is flexible. Then what do we have here? Go anytime. How long would you like to stay? These things, we need these things. How long would you like to stay? Yes, we have. So this one, these two, we say they should be 12. This also 12. Then we select these two and say, okay, we use, for example, 88. Then here, what is 24? Yeah, up to now it's 24, but we should have the same, the height of them would be the same. It's better for also for developers. That's 563. So because of that, we can say, for example, plus 80 to see what happened. Yeah, plus 56. Now I think they are the same. Yeah, let me see. Good. Let's a little bit. We can see the height here is the 563, but this one is 571. Let me a little bit. No, not this one, but this one. That's 63, that's 69. We should minus 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now the height of them are also the same. Everything is this somehow good. Yeah, and also we can bring this icon also here and bring it exactly to the right. 24 from the top and 24 from the right. Up to now, I think it's okay. So we should give this one the state. State is default, or date, we can write date, and this one we can write flexible. Now, if we publish it and then select one of them, we can see that. But I'm not happy with the gap between them. So we should do something. In the future, we will do something and we will understand what would be better. One more thing, that's we have these also, these chevrons on the right and on the left. We should add them also. Good. Let's see. So select this one, bring to the design. No, we had it. Actually, we had it, but we didn't update it. So it means that now we cannot use it and we cannot see the result here. So update it here. If you click here and say, okay, flexible, now it's one. But here is the gap. Why I don't like that. That is not very interesting for us. We should think, do something for that. We will do that. But first of all, what's this thing? Let me see that. First of all, let's add these icons here, these buttons. Somehow they're button. So let me see what's that. Arrow. Then arrow. Or go back to the icons here. Here maybe we can find. If you search arrow, then okay. So this one here. I choose this one and bring it to the component here, paste it. So let me see. Ignore the auto layout. Then I can put it here, exactly here, in the middle of that. Yes, and also this one, bring it here. Are they same? Yeah. Okay, but let me see that. Are they in the middle? Yeah, that's in the middle of that. And also this one, top. Good. So let me update it. If it's not very well, then we can remove one of these calendars. Then we can publish it and see what will happen. Yeah, here. That's okay. But still, I'm not satisfied with this gap. We will do something for that, okay? But totally, I want to have the whole things, and then we will come back again and think more about it. Or maybe in the process of designing, say, oh, it's better to do these things. Or for example, one more thing we can say, okay, that is 24, then that is 24. Also, no, not here. Go back to main component here. So this is 24. Then this is 24. Okay. And now we will remove it, because now that is the width is 587, but that should be 63. So here we should see that. And then 63. No, we can also more 63. Yeah, one more thing. Good. A little bit. It's now it's less than before. Also, good. Also, we can also make these step between these two things more. Also, select both of them instead of, you can say 28. Also here, I can say, yeah, these are the things we can do. We can, some tricks maybe we can use. That's still more. Make 117 and also mod 2. Okay, up to now it's okay. We will work more on that. So up to now, if you pay attention, in our design now, with design rooms and guests, check out, check-in, we have it, and also location, we have it, and the search. After that, we will search it, and so that this nav bar is done. The picture, the login, everything is okay. So we can go to the next step of design. I mean that if you look at here, So we have one thing here, one why travelers trust, why this thing, why we should choose this company, why we should choose this, I don't know, organization, this agency. What's that? What's the result? You can do many things. So let me remove here from remove this one, and we use this one. So our travel destination. So we say why travelers trust travel destination. Why you should trust us. So we should, I think we can use one of the headings here. H3 is okay. The color of that is text black. So if you click hold this page, you shouldn't see the number. Now, if you click here, we have color white, but one more thing, because no, there's nothing. See all here we have white. We should see that's for, oh, that's the background of that. So if you know that, now it's better to use white. Okay, there shouldn't be any number. So this one also white, everything is white without a number. And this one, what's that? I don't understand. Okay, I don't know. Oh, that's here. So for here, we can go to the main component. Where is it? Here is that. And then change the color of that. So let me bring it to our assets and also put it here, because somehow it's the icon. I put it here and I say, yeah, that's the logo. Asset, then publish it, and then make the colors. We can use from our colors. So here, if we use it, if we select these and these and these, here we say that, okay, this one, it's better to choose, for example, text 40. We should add text 40 because it's so light. So text black, text neutral 300, and also we add text neutral 400, and then publish it. Oh, so very good. Okay, that's good. Come back to assets here, select these three and say that good, we can use text 400. That's better. And also for the blue, we have text brand. This one, yeah, that's okay. Good. Publish it, and then in our design file we will use it, because the last one wasn't from this component page. So remove it and add it at this one here. Control G, put it here exactly in the middle. Also, well, let's paste it here in the middle. Very good, very nice. I like to make this icon a little bit more than 32 is okay. So nice. Good. So why travelers trust travel destination? You can also make this. Let's see what will happen if we make it, for example, text brand 16, traveler destination. Then we have these lines. You can easily draw it with pen, and so I will copy that, paste it here to see. And also we need a component here. So a square, instead of that an icon, and put, I don't know, suitable icon on that. If you see here, see dollar, I don't know, shield, and so. So we should make it. let's make one. I think one session we need to put to make the suitable name for that, but let's design. I don't know what's the name of that, but design it here. Let's make square, for example, 80 and 80. Then fill of that would be white. Then here we need icon. For example, dollar. Let's see, dollar. Do we have dollar here? Tokens, assets. Let's search. Control F. Dollar. Yeah, I prefer to use this dollar, for example. Bring it to the component, paste it here. What was that here? So this is the icon here, blue background of that. We make the icon blue, and also the frame which holds the icon has also the color. So here, first of all, the radius, let's start with 12. The icon size, I think maybe 40. Let's see what will happen with the 40. And also make this one auto layout in the middle, everything. Then the icon would be blue. Under that, we have this title and also subtitle. No hidden fees. So we write title for that. Title and subtitle. Subtitle. So select all of them. Auto layout. Bring it here. The text should be dark. Text black. So let's reduce the gap between them. 12 is okay. Oh, let me give the color to this one. For example, brand 50. That's okay. Title, subtitle, and somehow, let's see, we did it so big. It's better to make it a little bit smaller. So here, 8 and 8, that's okay. I like to have that would be square 56 or 72. I think I'm happy with 72. That's okay. Yeah, good. So the title, the body is small, 14. Let's start with 16. The black, and also subtitle, let's start with 14. And then we should say, okay, fill is hug content. Okay, hug content. And then we can make it a component and paste it, publish it. But we should do one more thing. First of all, appearance, add a property here. No, not here, because it has icon. We should say change icon. So change icon. And then here, or if you like to be more professional, we can say, okay, for title, we can select from the right panel this one, say add property here, title, your title. And for subtitle, we can do the same thing and say, okay, that's the subtitle. And so good. And the 8 is okay. Maybe let's see, and let's use it in our design to see what's the result, and then we can work on it easily. Good. Come back to design, add it here. So that is so small. If I put it here, I think we need to hold this area. Yeah, that's small. If we put it exactly like that here, this one and this one, and if it duplicate this line, I don't like it. They are so small. See the result? They should be a little bit bigger. let's make it bigger and then do the rest. So I think let's put it here. I'm in one space for this part, and then let's do the next things. Now I think that I cannot focus on that, that in the future we will make it better. So a little bit, but let me see if it have two columns is the 184. So if we go back to the main component here and say, okay, that's 184 is the whole one, and oops, and then let me make the content is that, then this one would be maybe, for example, 56 or so, and then what will happen? So let's update it and then publish it, and then we will see that there. What will face here? Finish. So successfully published. Here, if we update it, then it would be bigger. So I'm not happy with that. Totally, I'm not happy with that. But let me write these things. No hidden fees. So let's use it here. No hidden fees. Then the title is that. Let's copy that and paste it here. Off the camera, I will do that. Okay. Off the camera, I will make these things. But totally, if you say that, let me put it here on the left part, exactly here, and use this line. We can make the line brand, then this one, and also this one here. So let's use these two things. Let me move these two top, and then this one a little bit upper than the rest. Let's put it in the middle. That's okay. And now I have this one. I think I should turn it here. So yeah, very good, very nice. So, and also this one, we will hold it here, and then I said I will back and make it more beautiful. So make them group, Control or Command G, and Shift A, auto layout 24. We will hold it and we will back and make it better and better. But let me see. Look at here. When I say to see this space, to see the gap between these two elements, we have some 52.43. We will omit this float number. If we look at our pictures, we see that our picture has the height of that is so. So let's go to the main component of pictures and select all of them, and then say that, okay, we say 67 is okay. Now, if we publish it, we will see the result here. Now that would be okay. So come back to design. Let's finish here. So it's 5 out of 6. Then come back to design and update it, and that would be okay, and we will solve it. So now, if you see that, I think 56 should be the gap between two these things. So I said we will come back and make it much more beautiful, but I want to put it here just to remember, okay, we have something here. There would be a section here. So now it is the height that I'm very happy with these things, and also these things. I think a little bit we can give more white space, but yeah, that's okay. See that the hover works very good, very nice. And also I think we should put the button a little bit more right to see that. Let's come back. Now I saw this here. So between these, I can put it here. Yeah, I think now this space, the gap between all of them would be okay. Or maybe if you say 12, then that would be 16, and 16 from button, so 8 plus 8, now 16 and 16. I think a little bit would be better now. Good. See? Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now it's better. So the spaces, the gaps, everything, fine, good. The next part up to here, let's go back to design. This is 24 would be better, or 32 even. We should find one, we should contract between the team or ourselves what should be the space between the title and the whole listings comes under that. 32 or 24, I think it's better to go with 24, and we can change it in the future. So the next part, let me write this one here also, and have all of them, and this one also to see. So if you see that, it's go there, then yeah, very good. That's okay. So the next part of that, this one I love it. Training, this is the much more beautiful things a little bit. Now it's clear what are we going to do. Then that would be some destinations. They're so famous, the people, lots of people have used it, and so on. Also these things, we have also the components of that, the tags or the chips that we have used for a calendar, and so they are the same, or maybe yeah, they are the same actually. We can use it again. So trending destination we have here, if we use it, then trending destination, then we'll write it here, trending destination. Then that's also, let's use heading for that. I think H2 is okay. Yeah, H2. Yeah, very good. Trending destination, and under that we have these components, which was for here tabs. Yeah, so tabs, we use it. Come back here, we search tabs. Then see, yeah, we have category tabs actually. We will bring it here. But the color of that, if you see, the color of that is black. So let's change the color of that to black. Actually, here icon black and text black, and also we can say that should be the outlined somehow. Okay, or maybe we can make one more new component. Let's start with that to see what will happen, or select it. So let's duplicate some of them, 1 2 3 4 5, and then select all of them, auto layout, then the gap between them 24 would be okay, and the first one would be selected. Yeah, when it is selected, so it is different. I think we should make one more component for that, because the selected, here we have background of white, then we can say, okay, it's better to have the black one, because here we need one more thing. So let's duplicate this, category tabs for trip, change the name. So the first one, the icon is black, and also that's black. Then the selected, that's the selected. We change the icon of that white, icon white, text white, but the fill black, this one, and the hover, and also the outline of that, that's the outline. So a little bit, let's see what will happen for the outline. If you see in the design, that's the outline. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I should do one more thing, because it's not selected. The black, I don't like the black color. So here I say that text neutral 40 for that, and also for icon also 40. Then it would be better. Now let's publish it, I think, or update it. I think we did it, or no? Yes, let's publish it. Publish this one. So now we use it. So now we use it in our design. We say that tabs. I think we should update something, or no. Let me see. Yeah, no. Category tabs. Let's bring it here. Did we update it? We publish it. Let me see. Yeah, everything is okay. So this is the name of that is category tabs for trips. So here we say for trips. See that? Oh, it means that we should update, but again Figma want to annoy us. No matter, we copy one of the instances of here and bring it here, paste it. So if we click go to main component, yes, it works. So here, if you see that now it's outlined, selected is the one we need, and remove the rest. Actually, this one is Howard, but or Howard. No, why did I say Howard? I mean outlined. That's outlined. Let's make the same. No, I don't like this one. This pattern. Now I want this. Oh, no, just white. Good. These are the things we really need. Let's see here. That's okay. Now we should put a correct icon here. If we see here, what do we have? We have summer hotspot, winter gateway. Let's write this. That would be better. Summer hotspot, winter gateway, something for the rest. I will do that the same. Spring peaks and autumn. So two of them are extra. Spring peaks and something for autumn. Good. I think that's more beautiful. So when we hover, something will happen. Now we cannot see because let's go back to the component. That should be the things we really done. I don't know, that again Figma. Good. Under that, we need some cards for our the places. That's the places card. If you see here, that would be a card. Off the camera, I have prepared the pictures of that. This one. This is the pictures we really need. I have prepared them here. These are the pictures. Now let me copy 4 of them, or we should make them components. So here in our components, I really love to have one thing for cards. Product cards would be the things I really need to do that. So a frame, actually, let's choose this color to see that. The radius would be 16 up to now, and totally we need this picture. Let's see, asset, this one of them. What's the name of that? That's product card vertical. So I choose one of them, bring to the component here, this one. So let me duplicate it. Let me back to the design here, because we should design it based on our columns and gaps. So see, if we look, make it closer and zoom in, we see the things we really need. It is the whole 3 gaps it covers, 292. So they are not 292. They have 4 more pixels. So go back to the component, select all of them, and say, okay, 292 and 15, 513. That would be the thing. So now copy one of them, come back here, and paste one of them. If you see that, let me duplicate it. One thing we did for this picture, when you want to remove from the component, you should put these 3 keys, Shift, Control, and B. Then now it is not the instance of the component. See, left side here, and this one. Yeah, when it is component, it has this square icon, and this one it oval, I meant. And when it is not, it has the frame. So if you double click on that, see there is a white thing on that. It has the linear for white, and also that's it. And also for the picture, we have some drop shadow on that, and the fill of that is the linear black thing. See, we put it here because we want to write something under that. So remove this one. This is the things. Let's see, here we have title. So title, price, and also description. Title, price, description. Let's follow these things. Then also we can see again booking.coms, and so we can change it. So title, price, description. Come back here. Title, for example, Tehran, Iran. That is the title, the capital of Iran. Then under that we have price, for example, from $100 per night. And also description, it is the capital of Iran. It is the capital of Iran. That is the whole thing. Yeah, that is the things. We should make them totally component. So I make it component. We say vertical product card. Yeah, that's it. Product vertical card. But we should a little bit use these things, make it much more, a little bit bigger. I prefer by the large. No, I'm not satisfied with that. So I use the titles T1. It's okay. Or let's test the headlines H6 or maybe even H5. Yeah, that's okay. The price for that, I think let's test with 24 or maybe 20. And then description, that's the body 18. So let me select these three things and auto layout, and then 12. This one here, I think 16 from the left and 16 from the down. Let's use one of them and see how does it look like. Oh, let's publish it and use it in the design to see the result. Yes, and then we can make it beautiful, I don't know, using some colors. And so copy that, bring it into the design, paste it here. So if you put it here exactly, and then duplicate it, make it, that's the zoom. Yeah, so the gap between them is 32. Let's shift A, make them auto layout. We didn't do that. I didn't do that. Select both of them. Shift A, 32 is the gap, and then use this handle to put it to the end, and then the gap to the top, 24. See, let's go here and see what will happen up to now. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. That's okay, satisfied. Here is okay. Trending destination and the pictures, a little bit we can make our component better. So let's select from this. Let's click on the picture of this card, product card, a vertical card here, and then from the right click on this icon, then say change photo, and now create property, and there easily we can change the whole cards. And before that, from here, if you see here a little bit, we can pay attention. So that's a color from dollar per night. First of all, we should put the dollar sign before that, and then here we write per night, and then make a little bit, we should go up. Then here, click on that and say, okay, fill hug content. And all of them, the outer part should be hug content. So look at again, from, then this part. Okay, very nice. So text warning, we used the warning. Maybe we should change the names. Text warning is not here, but we will do that. So 16 from left, or maybe 24 and 24 from bottom. That's okay. The size H5 is okay. Then title 2. I think maybe we can use 3 for this one, 18 T4 maybe. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And this one maybe 14 caption. Very good. So whole of them, we choose all of them, and we say, okay, let's make them hug content. And the outer layer is also hug content. So it means that when I write more here, it goes to the end. Also, if we can do one more thing, so we say that, okay, we will bring it up to here, for example, a little bit more. This one, 2 pixel, yeah, or up to here, 19, and 1. See, now 24, 24. We say that, okay, that should be fixed widths, and this one, we say that fill container oder min and max widths. For example, we say that up to here is 244. I click here, I say that, okay, max width is 240. Let's see what will happen, guys. If you click here, so here is a max width, this one, 240. Then I write, for example, let's see what, see, it doesn't go from the max width more. If you click here also, this one here, this one, truncate text, if you click on this A3, then it doesn't come to the next line, it doesn't wrap, just use 3 dots. So you can use many things. Okay, it depends on you. You can make them wrap, come to the next line, but you should design somewhere that it goes top, align it to the top. When one line comes, the whole frame should go up or go down. It depends on your design with your alignment, align to the left, align to the right, and align to the bottom and top. I prefer here, I choose this one, and I use this setting, this one. If you click on that, truncation enabled, so that's very good. And also you can use also max lines and such as these things. Good. So that is the point of our design. I'm really happy with that. Good. So let's publish it. And on the other side, on the design, we will see the result, and we will see what is going to happen. I think that's beautiful, and we would be happy with that. So here, then if you see, good, very good. So now let's change the photo of that. This one is second one. So let's start from the first. Yeah, then the second one. Let's see, let me look at the assets here. This one is 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, 4, 3. This is number 1. This is, you should use number 5 or 4. Number 4. Let's use from number 1. Number 1, and this one is number 2. This one is number 3, and this one we use number 4. Now if we look at here, very good. Nice. And let's choose the icons of this. Here is summer. Here is the icon is, let me select the icon. The icon should be white. Then here we should use winter. Winter, this one. So spring, I think it's better to choose spring first, then summer, then autumn, and then so the same one. So I just make it to selected. This one is outlined. So the icon, I choose 300. Very good. For the icon, I choose here spring. And you see the result. That's very good. The color of that also white. Good. So nice, so good. So what should we write for autumn? Let me complete it. Autumnscape. Then I write here autumnscape, winter gateway, and very good. Spring, summer, autumn. Let's select the suitable. Good. Off the camera, I will make them ready for that. So this one, the icon, I should choose icon 300. Now, if we see here, that's okay. I'm happy. Yeah, very good. Then for winter, the icon of that is a little bit black. So let's use 400. Good. So this section is done. This section is done. Now we can select all of them, make one component, and then make the next cards for summer, then one component, and in the prototyping, we will use it. So not now, in the prototyping, we will do that. So I select these three, auto layout, and we say that, okay, 56, each section should have 56 pixels with the top. So this one, 56, and the title and the caption 24. So here it should be 24. So let's hold the consistency together. Very good. Now up to here, that's very beautiful. This section, we will work on it. We will make it better. And this part, the gap between them are so much. I don't like it. I think 12 would be okay. Yeah, good. So the next section, let's work on the next section. We will have a next section. We will have a frame here. Then we will give the neutral 50 to that, this one. So 56 with the top. And if you look at the next section, we will have deals for the weekend. So deals for the weekend we have. So now it is easy for us. We copy this part, bring it here, deals. Then if we bring it here, let me turn it on. That's okay. 24 with the top. I think it's a suitable space. So deals of the weekend. Deals of the weekend. Yeah, that's okay. Now we should use, there's a card also here if you look at that. So these cards are a little bit different. There is a like icon here, we can like it, and also it has some more things. So we should design a card. Then there is a picture on top of that, and under that we have something. So it means that it has a point, very good, and the reviews, the user can see the reviews, can give, for example, I don't know, a rated title, and also it has some badge on that. So again, come back to the components. Here, product cards is the component. This was for vertical cards. The next one, let's duplicate it. Let me duplicate this one and remove it. So but that is not the whole the picture. So it means that we should remove the product card vertical. Only we have these things. So fill with the white. bring it out. The top of that, half of that, we need a picture. So in the asset before of the camera, I have prepared this thing. So we have a picture and the caption, the title of that. So, but the pictures what to remember that, let me come back to the design here. If you look at if you see here 292, or you can use 2 of them instead of 3 is 183, but I don't like with that. This one is better. I mean 292, I am more satisfied with that. So let me select one of them. Let me, first of all, they're auto layout, let me remove them. I don't need them actually. So this picture, that's totally a picture. Let's select these pictures, all of them. Then 192, 292 we need. So 292, we enable this icon to hold the aspect ratio. So 292, that's okay. Good. Okay. So, and make them multiple components. Now I choose one of them, or we can publish it first of all. Let's publish all of them. Then we can copy and paste that. So publish all of them, bring one of them here, this one, very good, bring it here. So let's give it the border radius 12, we use that. Also for picture, we should use 12 for the picture, both of them. Yeah, that's okay. Then here, but on the top, bottom of the picture, we shouldn't have any radius. So let me click here and go to the main component, back to the assets here. So let's select all of them. We say that we don't need 16, 12, but for let me unbind them and use 0 for bottom of that. So now if we publish them, we had 6 changes. Now we can use them. Good. Let's wait for them. A little bit we made the pictures bigger, because maybe the width of our card be the same. That would be better for the developer actually. So to the top, very good. Now under that, this is the small vertical card, vertical product card. You can say that's small. And also maybe we can make these together a variant, big and small. So now we can have these things here. Let me make the white text black. And if you see that here, we have FFF, we don't need, we need to use white. Here, so there is an icon on the top, that's the like icon. So we search from the asset heart. Bring it here and put it in the circle. So we can use a frame fill. The fill of that would be neutral 50, maybe that's good one. Then let's say 45, and also let's make it round. Very good. Auto layout and put this heart in it. So that's okay. I'm happy with that. Put it here. 10, 16, 24, and also 24 here. That's okay up to now. Then we have, so here we need something, the point, and very excellent, very good, very bad, and the reviews. So here we write, for example, we need a badge here. let me use brand 60 for that. Then we write something in that, for example 5.5. That's for that. Then after that we need, for example, excellent we should write, and then reviews for that. Okay, well, a little bit we can make this one much more beautiful. If you look at that, there is a radius, 3 sides of that, but right top doesn't have any radius. So let's do that. We say, for example, 32, but this one should be 0. More. So we say 32 is 20, but this one should be 0. Yeah, that's okay. Let me, I don't like with that, happy. This one, we make it auto layout, 16 or 12, and also 12. Whoa. And 8. We need like that, and maybe 16 for this one is better. And also maybe 20 is much more for that. So we use 12. And this one 0. Yeah, now that's okay. Excellent. Select all of them, auto layout. We can put divider. So if we come back to our design, I think we have divider here. Also, we can make our divider component. So if you come back here to go to component, you can write divider. So paste it here and then make it component and write divider. See, now you can update it and use it everywhere. Easily you can search it, and in step by step you can make it better. I mean, develop it easily. So here is divider. Come back to the design, to the component, I mean, to the dialogues, no, to product cards. Here I search divider easily. Now I have it. Bring it here, duplicate it. So this is a divider, but if you see that, that's much more. I don't like this height. We should change it. The height of that is I think 12 would be okay, or no, 16, 24. Yeah, I'm happy with 24. Let me duplicate it, remove this one, and bring it here if they're not. So this is the card up to now. A little bit we can make it long. So for the review, we should say that neutral 400 would be okay, and this one 40 or maybe 16 medium. Yeah, that's okay somehow. And the gap between them 12 or 8 maybe. Let's test it with 8. Good. So there's a heart here, there is this thing's up to here is done, and Seaside Serentivilla, the name, and under that is the caption or title. So that's okay. I hold this one up to now, that's okay. Or we can say let's have it up to now. Then 24 from the top. So the previous card from the left, 24, yes. So we hold this law for this one, 24, and then everything is okay up to now. So let's make it component and publish it. But before that, the caption, we need the price here. If you see that, for the price, there's a discounted price. So per night, something, so discounted, and then the other price. So per night, let's do that. We say per night, then $100. No. And what is the real price? I want to duplicate this one and this one. This one and this one and this one. Per night. Let's remove that. This one. So we have three elements. So select all of them. Shift A, and 2 is the good thing. This one we should underline. So go to the text again. This icon setting. From the decoration, choose this one. Strike through now, and we can say that's big. So this one, I think 16 is so much. For that, 14 is okay. 14 is okay. And also we can make it red, and this one a little bit, so we can use it green. Or maybe we can use our brand color or text brand. That's it. So one more thing, it is not always we don't have always discounts. So we can say that good, this one sometimes can be removed. So from this icon we say that okay, has discount, and then let's say that's no, we should make it has property. We say that okay, has discount, and create the property. Now if we update it, publish it, and use it in our design in this part, we will see what will happen. Good. Bring it into the design here. Very good. Then discard, duplicate it. So select all of them, auto layout, one more, and this one, we click on resizing. So we have these two objects component together, make them auto layout. 24 is the gap, and if you see that 24 from the top and 24 from the down, the outer layer also would be the could be the auto layout. So, and also if you look at here, if you say that okay, has icon, then this one, it doesn't have any discount. I meant. So no discount. Look at the result. Very good. I'm happy with that. So now let me use these two icons on the left and chevrons here. Come back here, search arrow squares left. Where is that? Why don't we find it? Tokens, assets, from the icons. This one, bring it here, paste them. So one of them should stay here. But if you see that, we cannot see it. We should make the better color, and the other one, we should use it here. Make them in the middle. So these two in the middle. Now see what will happen here. We cannot see that, so we should do something. But up to now, is okay. I'm not happy. We should per night. We should change the color of that. Come back to the product cards. So here, let me change the, oh, come back to the icon here. Let's say that change pick. Then this one also, let me change the color of that, both of them. Text neutral 400, that's okay. 24 everything as well. Also for heart, we should say that, okay, let me go to the component, let me duplicate this one, bring it here, or we can use also this color, this heart. This one is interesting for me also. I say that let me duplicate it and make new component of that, this one. We say that, okay, if it is clicked, this one should take the fill and make it red or blue. Yeah, also the surface. I can brand the blue. I don't like the blue. Let us add brand surface red and also icon error. So in the tokens, we add surface error, duplicate variable, we write error, and then we use 500. Now if we publish it, also come back to the icons here, we see that good. Now if you see that we have two heart circle, we can use both of them. Okay, good. Let me edit something. So here, did we update it? Now we can use it here. I think it's better. So circle, instead of this one, we use circle heart, this one. Yeah, and sometimes when we say that and remove the background of that, would be okay. Oh no, I don't like, we need the previous one. So the idea was false. So for this heart, we can do one thing, select this one and bring it here. We can say that, or we can go to the icons, to the assets, and duplicate this one, or let me do one more thing. I want to have this one, and I want to duplicate it, select both of them and say, okay, it's a component here for me, and then they are their variant. One of them I want to use, make it red, because I want to show that, okay, that is clicked and that is liked. Give fill to that and say that's, oh, I mean just a heart here. Nice. So state, it has two state. I say that this one is default and this one is liked, and when the user clicked and then clicked, unclick, and now I can update it, publish it, and now I can use this icon there. What is that? This is the, let me select this one, design, to the component, sorry, and instead of this heart I can use this one and say, okay, default or liked. Nice. So if you publish it and come back to the design, now let me update all of them here. Updated. So this one from the first one, the pick one, the second one from the top two, from the top three, from the top 3, 4. So, and also some of them, this one and this one, the heart of that, if you click here, click on the heart, you say, okay, that is liked. See? And if you click on the heart, that would be the red one. That's the point. I think that's okay. I'm happy with it. That's interesting. Yeah. If you see here, it has a badge on that. Guest's favorite. We can add one badge to the top left. I will show you in in the Airbnb. Airbnb, we have a badge on the top left, guest's favorite. We can use it now. I mean, write it here. Guest favorite. So let me show you booking.com here. Airbnb. See, here we have guest's favorite. I need this one. Let me switch to English. Guest's favorite. See, I love this this badge here. So I can use it here. Padding from left 8, top 8. That's more 4, and here 24. That's okay. And we can make it to the things 24. 24 is much more. I think 8 would be okay. And this one 8. Yeah. The background of that, I say that maybe neutral 50 would be okay for that. And this one is text black, and also 12. Yeah, not much more. This one is 24. The outer one is 40. We can say this one, the size of that would be 20, and the outer one is 32. Yeah, that's okay. Also, now it's much more better. Good. And this one, both of them 8. And now if we update it, we can also, we should do one more thing. Some of them don't have this guest favorite, so we should create another property, is fave, and then create property and then upload it, because all of the products, all of the places are not favorite. So if you look at here, you say that, good. Oh, let's update it. And then we say, okay, this car has discount, no. Is favorite, no. Also this one is favorite, no. Good. So look at here. Wow, interesting. It can be better. Now we should do something with these things. I think we should a little bit, the height of the picture is so much, we should make it a little bit smaller. So go to main component, this one, select all of them, and we should do something. Up to here I think is okay. We will do the small things to the details. The next part we will make these things, and somehow, oh, again, we'll need to work with discards. So we need to make some components for the rest. But the next part, travel more, spend less. That is the next thing. We really want to work with that. So what was that? Travel more, spend less. Travel more, spend less. This is the next thing we really want to, we are going to design it. So 56 is this thing we're real in it. Up to now, somehow it has a shape, it is beautiful. Then when we have a whole site of that, then it would be better. Now, when I see that the white space here between the title and top is much less, I can say that. So the whole width of that is 1440. So we say that make the whole of that auto layout. Then that's okay. From top, I can say that would be maybe 56. And also from the down, 56. Good. If you see here now, that's better. See, that's better really. The white space always helps you to think better. And also 24 from the left, 24 from the top. You should do that with this one. So here, yes, and this one, yes, and both of them, yeah, because we want to hold the consistency. This is important for us. This is good for the developer also. The developer when a person, she or he, wants to create a component, he knows what should he do or not. Okay, up to now I think it's okay. It needs some more detail. We will add it, we will make it, but the whole thing, the whole structure, we know the goal, we know the way, we know the path, we know where should we go and achieve it. Thank you very much. If it was helpful, please support us and introduce us to your friends. I'm Dimo, a UI UX designer.